Hello, hello, how are you all? So today we are going to draw cute teddy bear. Here we are starting with his ears. This is the face of a teddy bear. Here I am drawing his hands. How cute the hands are. And these are the cute little foot of a teddy bear. Look, he's holding what? He's holding your heart. Isn't it look boring? Okay, wait. Let's color it. So this is the color red. A red color heart looks so pretty. You will see now. Do you like red color? Yes, I like it. If you like it, so please let me know. Now it's time to color his body. This is color yellow because a yellow color looks so pretty when a teddy bear will wear a yellow color. Look how he is looking at you. Isn't he looking so cute? I think it is looking cute. Yes or not? Okay, now let's color these cute little areas. Okay, now let's meet in another video. Have a good day. Goodbye. See you soon.